Hi, I'm Danny from Danny's Do-It-Yourself Garage. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to flush my brake system on my 2007 Honda Element. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I did a flush on my Honda Civic, and I do have a video on that. And I used this one-man brake bleeder system. It worked pretty good. Today, I'm going to be using a jar I made with a hose. So let's see how that works. I also got a turkey baster. This is going to suck the fluid out. And I have some fluid, some gloves, and a rag. Now, brake fluid loves absorbing moisture. And that moisture gets into your system and starts damaging your expensive parts. So flushing your brake system just makes sense. So first thing I need to do is prepare. So I got my gloves on, and then I want to put my rag all around this area, because when brake fluid gets on your paint, it's not a good thing. And then right here I've got my turkey baster. And then my jar. So this is what I'm going to put the fluid in. And take off the cap. Just set it aside. Now if you notice inside here, there's a screen, and this little pick tool works pretty good. Just get that out. And then from there, we'll just take our turkey baster. And we want to suck out as much as we can. So that's about all I got out of there. So it was kind of low as is. And we'll go ahead and get our brake fluid. Put our screen back in. And fill it up. Then we're going to go over to the wheels and start bleeding. Go ahead and put the cap back on. Let me show you what's going on. This is going to be a one-man bleeder process. So this is the jar that I had and put the fluid in there. There's also my lid, and I drilled a hole in there. And then this hose is going to go inside the lid. And then it's going to go all the way down to the bottom. That way, if it starts sucking air, it'll suck this fluid. This is a 3/16 hose for your bleeder screws. So let's take our flush tool over to the wheel that's furthest from the master cylinder. So we're going to go right rear, left rear, right front, and then left front. That's going to be the order on most cars. Let's get started. All right, so I got my bottle here. My hose is completely submerged. Go ahead and take that rubber cover off the bleeder. There it is. You need to put a 10mm wrench on the bleeder. And then my 3/16 hose is going on the bleeder. So So I'm going to loosen the bleeder screw with the 10mm wrench and then go inside and push the pedal down. Okay, bleeder screws loosened. Now I'm going to push the pedal to the floor. It's going down all the way to the floor. Then I'm going to let it up. It's all the way up. I'm going to push it down to the floor again. Now I'm going to let it up. Down to the floor again. I'm going to let it up. And down to the floor again. I'm going to let it up and down to the floor again. And I'm going to let it up. And I'm going to go check my reservoir. My reservoir is fine, so I'm going to push it down again. I'm going to let it up, push it down again, going to let it up, and I'm going to push it down again, and then I'm going to go close the bleeder. After this time, I'm going to let it up. I'm going to close the bleeder. And there's nice clean fluid here. I'm going to go ahead and put my cap on. And this wheel's done. All right, I'm finished with the right rear. My master cylinder's filled. Let's go to the left rear. Okay, so I got my bottle hooked up, my hose here, my wrench on. Just need to loosen it. And let's go bleed it. I think we'll do about 6 pumps. There's 1. It's back up. 2. It's back up. 3. It's all the way down. Now it's back up. 4. It's all the way down. Now it's back up. 5. It's all the way down. Back up. 6. It's all the way down. Now it's back up. Let's do one more. 7. Now let's go tighten the bleeder screw. All right, so let's go back here. Tighten up the bleeder screw. Let's go to our next wheel, which is going to be the right front. All right, I'm going to fill it up again. All right, I'm here at the right front. I'm going to go ahead and loosen my bleeder screw. My reservoir is already full. Go ahead and push down once. down, let it up. 2, it's down, let it up. 3, down, let it up. 4, down, let it up. 5, it's down, let it up. 6, it's down, I'm letting it up. And my last one, it's down, I'll let it up and go ahead and close that bleeder screw. And my bleeder screw is closed. Remove the hose and the oil bottle. And I'm gonna go check my reservoir. All right, we're at the left front. Let's go ahead and open our bleeder screw. All right. I'm gonna do about 7 pumps again. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. There's 6. And here's number 7. Let's do 8. Let's do 9. We'll stop there. All right, let's go ahead and close that bleeder screw. Pull our hose. Put our rubber cover back on. And we're done. Let's fill up our reservoir and call it finished. If you learned something in this video, give me a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.